Okay, welcome to the personal property tour for 25 George Terrace in St Monans. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-reception, 2-bathroom townhouse, end terraced as well. It does have off-street parking, 2 parking bays to the side, so you've got off-street parking with this property as well. Fantastic courtyard back garden, and you've got the conservatory and you've got the breakfast and kitchen downstairs as well. Let me flip the camera around, tell you about it and take you on the tour. Now this is the property itself here over the 3 levels. Bay window to the top, remember about that, and as I said, parking off to the side there, and beautiful stonework to the front. This is close proximity, by the way, to the beach, the Fife Coastal Path, the Harbour, and also the Open Water Tidal Pool. Now, and I'll tell you most about the area when we get to the end of here, so you can, for anybody who doesn't know St Monans itself. So as we come into the lower floor, we're going to go upstairs first and then we'll come back down to the ground floor after that. This goes out to the back courtyard through that way. We're going to go out through the conservatory. You do have storage under here. You've got an external storage as well outside, but we're going to go up to the first floor. Now immediately, this doorway, this is a good storage cupboard in here. A lot of people actually have a WC in there. So there's a possibility, you never know, it might be able to be repurposed, but storage is always good. And on that note, utility cupboard. You can get your washing machine in there and you also get your dryer in there as well. So it's out the way. And then your first double bedroom to the front. This has all just been newly done. So beautiful double bedroom in here. And the next one in here. Sure you'd agree. Lovely so far. Wait till you get to the top. Wait till you see the views. Unbelievable. This is a huge bathroom, 4-piece. It's even got a steam cabinet. So this is your WC and your sink area. And then you've got your sunken bath. And then you've also got your steam shower and cabinet in here as well. There you go. So if you just fancy a wee bit of chill out, this is the perfect place to come. Okay, let's pop up and we'll see the next 2 double bedrooms upstairs and the new shower room they've installed. And here, so the shower room is up here as well. Love that cabinet feature with the inset sink on top. Metro style tiles, and then coming into your shower cabinet with rainfall thermostatic shower overhead. Beautifully finished. Love that floor. This is the one with the bay window I said at the front. So a good sized double bedroom opening to that bay window to the front. You could bring in a lot of natural light if you want. And then you do have a wee stairwell in here. Just a bit of set of stairs, timber stairs that go up to storage up in here. So as I say, this house has got plenty of storage. And on that note, wall to wall wardrobe right along there. And then as we come round in here, this is what you're going to wake up to in the morning. Now the current owner, when somebody came round this morning, says, well, they came round this morning, I was just watching the dolphins out there. I was just watching the dolphins. This is a casual thing, but it is about here, definitely. So you've got the harbour down there, you can see that there. This is easy access into the harbour, just down the road and on the side down Forth Street. Just at the back of these houses. So you go round the corner, go down Forth Street, you're at the harbour, you're on the coastal path straight away. But right across there, I can just see the corner of the Bass Rock over there. Give you a bit of bearings. North Berwick's over there, you've got Berwick Law. You come along, you've got Leith. And then in the distance, you've got Edinburgh as well. You'll probably see the fireworks. On a good day, a nice clear day, you'll see the fireworks at New Year. And then how close is it to Ely? It's just about 3 miles. There's Ladies Tower at Ely. Just right there. So you can get back along the coastal path to Ely, just walking along about 3 miles away. Fantastic, beautiful views overall. There's the courtyard garden, by the way. We're going to end up in there in a minute. So easy access onto the harbour and all the amenities down there as well. And I'll talk about that towards the end. Let's go downstairs. I'll see you there in a minute. So here we are downstairs. That was quick. Breakfast and kitchen. Flip the camera around and I'll tell you all about that as well. Fantastic breakfast, and you can see the granite worktops in here all the way round. You've got that freestanding breakfast bar over there as well. Potentially, possibly get a dining table and chairs across there, because there is a lot of space. I would definitely see that. Good sized room, definitely. So you've got an oven over there, you can get your microwave above, 5-burner hob extractor above as well, space for a dishwasher as we come round. And it's open plan into the living room, which is a big plus. You've got a wee area there if you want to homework, or you can use one of the rooms upstairs. But it's a nice reception room, isn't it? And the great thing is it's open plan to here, so when you're preparing stuff and you've got guests round, you can easily still entertain and talk at the same time. Log burner over there, so some of these cosy nights that you can have, a bit of glass of whiskey, a glass of wine, contemplate the world with your friends and family. And then it leads into this main reception room off to the rear, the conservatory. Look at these beautiful blue skies. I could feel the heat from this already, by the way. This sits in the sun most of the time. And you've got a seating area over to the side there. This could be perfect if you're having barbecues and you just want a bit of, shade, or you want a bit of shelter where you've got a barbecue going outside. Weber apparently say the best barbecue place is Scotland, and the best time of year to barbecue is winter because of the moisture in the air. It keeps the meat from drying out. Now, Courtyard, we'll just cover that in a minute, and I'll just say to you, there's the gate going into the Courtyard area to the rear, but then there's your off-street parking bays. So you've got easy access into that. You can just come in your back door. But this is nice and private here. Nice and private. Nice high walls. Privacy fence. Low maintenance as well, which definitely floats my boat in the low maintenance division. And then the 3 levels that you can see here with the conservatory off the back. Fantastic, isn't it? Very quiet. That's what I love about here. You can see the solar panels on the roof as well. Okay, let's take a wee seat and talk about the area for people that don't know. If you don't know the area quite well, there's location footage on here, drone footage, and it tells you where everything is in proximity to this property itself. But I'll give you a wee rundown, just so you know. So, cafes, bistros and restaurants. You've got the East Pier Smokehouse on one side of the harbour. You've got the Craigmillar Restaurant, seafood restaurant, on the other side of the harbour. And in between on Station Road, you've got the Giddy Gannet, the cafe there. Up at the top of the road, you've got the Bathroom Business Park with the Muffin Man Cafe. You've got the East Neuk Salt Company. And then you've also got various other businesses up there. Across the road, you've got the Premier Store, convenience store. And then next door, you've got the hairdressers. Walk-in Spice, the Malaysian takeaway is at the top of the road on the main road itself. Now, let's talk about education. Well, great local primary school, high school as well is located in Anstruther, which is just up the road for the high school, which is Wade, which is a really good top performing high school in Fife. Open water swimming's your thing, and entertainment and all the rest of it, and walking and running and jogging. This is definitely a place for you, because you can just pop down to the side onto the East Neuk, onto the East Salt Pans, and the salt pans itself, the historic St Monans salt pans. And next door to that is the St Monans Open Water Tidal Pool. So if open water swimming's your thing, it's the perfect place to be. You'll see it in this drone footage anyway. And as I said, you're just about 3 miles from Ely. Across the hill, about 10 miles from St Andrews. So if you're wanting the home of golf, St Andrews, although there's great local golf clubs here, Dunbarney Links, you've got the Anstruther golf course as well, and various other golf courses surrounding, and Collinsborough, Charlton golf course as well. Play park, round the corner, you've got the children's play park, you've got the open water, football fields as well, where the St Monans Swallows train. And that's it. If you want more information, you can click on the link above or below for more details, photographs and descriptions. As I said, I would urge you to check out the drone footage because it tells you a lot. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can message, or you can call us on 01333 421 774. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV. I think I'll just bask in the sun.